The discus throw technique is divided into 4 phases: swing, turn, delivery, and recovery. A correct grip is necessary to accelerate and impart rotation on the implement. In the swing phase, the thrower prepares for the turn by winding up. This pre-tenses the trunk, shoulders, and arm. In the turn phase, the left knee and foot are turned actively in the direction of the throw. The throwing shoulder is kept behind the body. The jump part of the turn is flat, and there is an incomplete extension of the push-off leg. The throwing arm is above hip height and behind the body. The key to the delivery phase is the power position. Here, the body weight is supported on the right leg, which is bent, and the discus is carried behind the body. As the delivery continues, the right leg is twisted and extends explosively. The left side of the body is blocked. The discus leaves the hand at shoulder height. In the recovery phase, the legs are changed quickly. Introduction. In this step, the thrower becomes familiar with the implement, safety measures, and the grip. The fingers are spread on the rim of the disc. The disc is held in the last joints of the fingers. The wrist is relaxed and straight. To get used to the discus and learn to rotate it correctly, bowl the implement on the ground to a partner, releasing it off the index finger. Modify the bowl to a flip or toss the discus in the air. Standing front throw. This exercise teaches the athlete to throw straight from a rotational acceleration. The thrower should use the legs for acceleration. For variation, start from a split leg position. Standing side throw. This exercise introduces the use of the active right leg. The thrower should turn the right heel out while pushing the right hip forward, at the same time blocking with the left leg. Use a variety of implements. Standing throw from the power position. Start with the back in the direction of the throw. Swing the discus backwards and upwards with the palm facing down. Focus on the activity of the right leg and the turn of the legs, hips, and trunk. The left side of the body should be used to block the movement. One-turn throw. This exercise introduces a 360-degree turn. Start outside the circle, facing the direction of the throw. Turn forward on the left foot, continue on to the active right foot, and into the power position, then release. Use a space marked on the ground to learn the correct foot placement for the jump. Focus on correct rhythm. Whole sequence. The progression is completed with full throws using lighter discs. Control and correct the power position if necessary.